In this video, we'll explore essential tips and tricks to keep your laptop or PC running smoothly. From cleaning and cooling to software updates and data backups, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a secure and shining tech experience. 1. Keep it clean. Regularly clean the exterior of your laptop or PC using a soft, lint-free cloth to remove dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Use compressed air to clean the keyboard, vents, and ports to prevent dust buildup inside the device. 2. Use a cooling pad. If you use your laptop extensively, consider using a cooling pad to keep the temperature down and prevent overheating. 3. Update software and drivers. Keep your operating system, software applications, and drivers up to date. Regular updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. 4. Install antivirus and anti-malware software. Protect your laptop or PC from viruses, malware, and other online threats by installing reputable security software and keeping it updated. 5. Organize and remove unnecessary files. Regularly clean up your hard drive by deleting unnecessary files, temporary files, and programs you no longer use. This helps free up space and can improve system performance. 6. Back up your data. Regularly back up your important files to an external storage device or cloud storage. In case of hardware failure or other issues, you won't lose valuable data. 7. Use surge protectors. Connect your laptop or PC to a surge protector to safeguard against power surges or electrical fluctuations. 8. Proper shutdown and restart. Avoid shutting down your laptop or PC by directly turning off the power. Use the shutdown or restart option in the operating system to prevent potential data corruption. 9. Avoid overcharging, for laptops. If you use a laptop, avoid leaving it plugged in and charging continuously after it reaches 100% battery capacity. Overcharging can strain the battery and reduce its lifespan. 10. Manage startup programs. Disable unnecessary startup programs to reduce boot times and free up system resources. 11. Use sleep mode wisely. Utilize sleep mode when taking short breaks, but shut down the device properly when not in use for an extended period. 12. Be cautious with food and drinks. Avoid eating or drinking near your laptop or PC to prevent spills and potential damage. 13. Transportation precautions. If you need to move your laptop, use a protective case or bag to shield it from scratches and impacts. 14. Regularly check for hardware issues. Keep an eye out for signs of hardware issues such as strange noises, heating problems, or performance slowdowns. Address such issues promptly. Thank you for watching Secure and Shining Laptop, PC Maintenance Best Practices. By following these practical tips, you can extend the life of your device and enjoy optimal performance. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way in keeping your laptop or PC secure and shining bright. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts. Happy computing!